Hello. In this lecture, I will teach you how to create view for SQL Server. View is query. Instead of creating orders, we can use view. For example, we are creating join data, you will need to write join order. Inner join, right join, left join. If we create view, we can choose order from view. No need to write long order. Go to databases. Go to employee database. Go to tables. Now we have two tables, departments and employees. Right-click on employees, and select. Now, look at department ID value. You will see only numbers. If you want to convert these numbers into text, you will need to join data with department table. Just like I taught you in the previous lecture. We can use inner join here, but the order will be long. We have a way to manage long order. Sometimes, we don't want to write the same query again and again. We can create view to use. Right-click and select New View. Choose the table you want to create view. Double-clicks on Employees and Departments. You will see the data is joining. Inner join appear in the below window. We learned about this order in the previous lecture. Now, I will teach you an easy way. Just like wizard. For example, I want to use all column in the employees table. Select all columns and drag down. Program will create order. Select all from employees. Next, we will pull department name from departments table. Look at select in below window. It will show that department name has been added. And inner join. How do we see result after join? Right-click on empty space. Select execute. Now you will see the department names after department ID. Value 5 is R&D. 4 is accounting. 3 is marketing, etc. This is an easy way. When you write a program, you can utilize view. Right now at the top of table tap, and click Save. In title, View, Employees, Department. Close the tab. Refresh view. Then right-click and select. You can see the orders are shorter than creating inner join.